Work-energy theorem. Let us consider the examples that we saw earlier. Taking a closer look at the very first example of the suitcase being pulled, we can see that the motion of the suitcase is accelerated. Therefore, the kinetic energy of the suitcase changes and net work done on the suitcase is non-zero. That is 192,84 joule. In case of the rocket launch, the motion of the rocket with spacecraft is accelerated. Therefore, kinetic energy of rocket changes, and the net work done to lift the rocket with spacecraft is 5 times 10 to the power 10 joule. In the example of the toy car being pulled at an angle, the acceleration is 0. The toy car moves with uniform velocity, and hence kinetic energy remains constant, and net work done is also 0. From the above examples, we can conclude that whenever there is accelerated motion, kinetic energy of the body changes, and net work done is non-zero. This leads us to the work-energy theorem, which states that the net work done on an object by a net external force is equal to the change in its kinetic energy. W net equals delta Ek equals Ek final minus Ek initial. Let us now apply this theorem to the example of the rocket launch. We know that the net work done in lifting the rocket with spacecraft of mass 2 times 10 to the power 6 kilograms by a distance of 1 kilometer is W net equals 5 times 10 to the power 10 joule. If the acceleration of the rocket is 25 meters per second square upwards, then the velocity of the rocket with spacecraft after a vertical displacement of 1 kilometer upwards can be calculated using the equation of motion. V final square equals Vi square plus 2a delta x. Therefore, V final square equals, as the rocket starts from rest, V initial equals 0. V final square equals 50,000. Therefore, V final equals 223,61 meters per second. Hence the change in kinetic energy of rocket with spacecraft. Delta Ek equals Ek final minus Ek initial, half mv final square minus half mv initial square, equals 5 times 10 to the power 10 joule. Hence the net work done is equal to the change in kinetic energy.
Starting to feel it? Now go master it with Maski.